Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this creamy coleslaw for your dishes. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Stay tuned. To begin, I just need some 3 ingredients, which is salad cream, carrot and cabbage. I'll use my knife to cut this into smaller pieces. You can also use your grater if you have one. My knife is very sharp, so I'm careful with the knife. With this coleslaw, you can eat it like this after making it, or you can use it as a top-up for your jollof rice or plain rice. It's just a simple recipe that can be made in less than 20 minutes. So I've cut my cabbage into smaller pieces. So I'm now making my carrot slices. After cutting everything, I'll mix it and throw it into my bowl, and I'll add my salad cream and mix it thoroughly. I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section, and I hope you try some for your families and your friends. My old subscribers, I'm grateful for the support you guys have been giving to this channel, and I hope you continue to support this channel to grow. My coleslaw is ready now. I'll be eating it with my plain rice. I assure you that by watching this channel, you will get the best of recipes, which are easy and simple to make. I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.